Ever looked up at the sky and wondered what those fluffy white things are made of? Well, let's delve into the fascinating world of clouds. Contrary to popular belief, they aren't just cotton candy in the sky. They're a complex mix of water, ice, and air, playing a vital role in balancing our environment. They even have a language of their own, telling tales of weather changes. So next time you look up at the sky, remember, there's more to those fluffy white things than meets the eye. Did you know that clouds can weigh more than 1,000,000 pounds? Yes, you heard me right, 1,000,000 pounds. Now you might be wondering, how can something that massive float in the sky? Well, that's because the weight of a cloud is spread out over a massive area. You see, clouds are formed when the sun heats up the Earth's surface, causing the water to evaporate into vapor. This vapor rises into the air, where it cools down and condenses to form clouds. This process is known as the water cycle. Fascinating, isn't it? Now let's talk about something fun. If you've ever gazed at the clouds and spotted shapes or figures, you've experienced a phenomenon known as pareidolia. It's our brain's way of interpreting random images or sounds as something recognizable. So that dragon or bunny you saw in the clouds was all in your head. Clouds also play a crucial role in our weather patterns. They can bring about rain, snow, and other types of precipitation. But they also act as a blanket, keeping the Earth warm at night and cool during the day. And here's another quirky fact. The highest clouds in our atmosphere are called noctilucent clouds. They're so high up that they can still catch the sun's rays and shine brightly even after sunset. And that's why, despite their weight, clouds float in the sky. But it's not all fun and games with clouds. Now we're diving into the darker side of these fluffy figures in the sky. You see, clouds can be pretty dangerous. They're not just about creating beautiful sunsets and providing shade on a hot day. No, these sky dwellers can transform into terrifying forces of nature. Take hurricanes, for instance. These massive storm systems, born from clouds over warm ocean waters, can cause immense destruction, whipping up winds at speeds of over 100 miles an hour. And then there are thunderstorms, delivering a 1-2 punch of powerful winds and potentially deadly lightning strikes. Clouds can hold an astonishing amount of energy. They're like giant floating power stations. In fact, the energy released by a severe thunderstorm can exceed that of a nuclear explosion. Now that's a scary thought. So the next time you see a storm cloud, remember, it can pack a punch more powerful than a nuclear explosion.